Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best DJI drone available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the DJI Mini 4K drone. This is where the Mini 4K truly shines. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization is what transforms shaky amateur footage into smooth, cinematic gold. I've flown in moderately windy conditions, and the gimbal keeps the camera rock steady. DJI claims level 5 wind resistance, and I've put this to the test multiple times. On days when I thought twice about flying, the Mini 4K handled surprisingly well. DJI advertises 31 minutes of maximum flight time with one battery, and while I've achieved close to this in ideal conditions, real-world usage typically gives me 25 to 28 minutes. This includes takeoff, positioning, active filming, and landing. Wind, temperature, and aggressive flying reduce this further, but it's still respectable for a drone this size. At number 2 is the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. I've owned bulkier drones before, and they always made me second guess whether it was worth carrying them on trips. With the Mini 4 Pro, that problem is gone. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly travel-friendly. One thing to note though, when I use the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the remote ID activates, which means registration is still required for commercial purposes. But since most of my flying is recreational, it hasn't been an issue. Battery life is one of the biggest frustrations I've had with drones in the past. With this combo, I get 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus units, which gives me up to 135 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough for a full day of exploring without constantly worrying about charging. I can finally focus on creativity instead of watching the battery percentage like a hawk. At number 3 on our list is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo drones. The 4K UHD video quality has consistently impressed me across various shooting conditions. The HDR capability truly shines when capturing landscapes with challenging lighting conditions. I've shot everything from golden hour coastal scenes to overcast mountain vistas, and the dual native ISO fusion technology has delivered remarkable detail in both highlights and shadows. The flight time claims initially seemed optimistic, but my real-world experience has validated DJI's numbers. With the standard batteries, I consistently achieve around 30 to 35 minutes of flight time per battery, depending on conditions and flying style. The 3-battery setup in the Fly More combo provides me with well over an hour of continuous shooting capability. The brushless motors provide impressive power for such a compact aircraft. I've successfully launched from elevations over 3,000 meters during mountain photography trips, and the drone performed flawlessly despite the thin air. Moving up at number 4 is the Avata 2 Fly drones. The 1/1.3-inch image sensor delivers footage that genuinely surprised me. I expected decent quality from such a compact drone, but the Avata 2 produces genuinely stunning 4K 60 FPS video that rivals much larger drones I've used. The ultra-sharp clarity combined with that immersive 155-degree field of view creates footage that feels almost three-dimensional. The lightweight portable design makes the Avata 2 my go-to drone for spontaneous content creation. Whether I'm hiking, biking, or just exploring around town, it's small enough to bring along without feeling burdened by heavy equipment. While not waterproof, the Avata 2 handles various weather conditions better than I expected. I've flown in light wind, overcast conditions, and even light mist without issues. At number 5 is the DJI Air 2S drone. The 5.4K recording capability at 30 FPS has become my go-to setting for most projects. The extra resolution provides incredible flexibility in post-production. I can crop, zoom, or stabilize footage while still maintaining crisp 4K output. When I need higher frame rates for slow-motion sequences, the 4K 60 FPS mode delivers buttery smooth results that look spectacular when slowed down to 24 FPS. The 4-directional obstacle sensing system has saved my drone multiple times. During a recent forest canopy shoot, I was focused on framing when a branch extended into the flight path from above. The advertised 31 minutes of flight time translates to approximately 25 to 28 minutes of usable flight time in real-world conditions. This endurance has fundamentally changed my shooting workflow. I no longer feel rushed to capture shots before the battery depletes. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.